traders, and welcome back to Grok Trade. Caroline Alizan here, a graduate student of the Grok Trade Mentoring Program. It is Wednesday, January 11th of 2011, and we are looking at the Q's daily chart as usual. So hope you're all ready to do some technical analysis here with me. So let's get started and check this out. Remember those areas of resistance that I mentioned to you yesterday? This little one here in black, which is at the 58.20 mark, and then the one up here right above at the 58.50 mark. We are still stuck at those areas of resistance. It's a significant wall to break through. All right, and what's different is that we are making our first lower high today. So what it means is that we're slowing down a bit. Okay, we do not have enough power to continue higher at this moment. We are slowing down, closing the day below both of those areas of resistance. So what it means is, what I see here happening is that we could be putting on a high base. But in terms for us to call it a high base, we would need to see another candlestick forming right here in that tight trading range at the top of the rally. That's what I'm looking for if we do ever get a high base formation. If we ever do, then we would wait for a breakout one way or the other, up or down. All right, so that is one of the scenarios that I'm looking for. But the other one, a better one here, would be a little pullback to at least that 8 moving average that you see here below, which is here in green, and it's currently at 57.39. I would like to see it go down to that 8 moving average and then bounce off of that 8 moving average, continuing higher, breaking through all areas of resistance on our way up. Okay, that is another scenario that I would like to really see happening, because that would be even better than the low high base. All right, and the other thing that I see here on this chart is that we are still bullish according to all moving averages. We're still bullish according to the 8 moving average because we are still way above it, and we keep trading above the 8 moving average. We are pretty far away from it, so that's a good sign. We're still bullish according to the 8 moving average, but we are at a resistance, major area of resistance, so watch it really closely. Put your glasses on if you can't see those, because that's really important. All right, so that's what I see here happening. And check this out. Look at the MACD. The MACD is slowing down a bit, which makes sense a little. We are at resistance, slowing down here on our chart, and the MACD is slowing down here, getting ready for a major move one way or the other. But a very important point here that I see is that we are forming a little double top on the MACD. What does that mean? Does it mean that we're getting ready for a reversal? Possibly. But first of all, always remember to look for a perfect setup on the chart, and then look at the MACD and look for confirmation. That's the steps to follow. First, look at the setups on the chart, and then secondly, look at the MACD and look for confirmation. That's what you need to do. And then the volume. We're still trading below the average. Nothing really significant, but what I would like to see is really low spikes in volume. I would like to see this volume going a little above the average, which would indicate that we could be putting on a top. So that is what I'm looking for. But before we do this, we will have to have all of those signals line up. Alright, that's how important it is. Alright, so hope it helps you. Have a wonderful day, evening, and I'll talk to you again tomorrow.